नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले 5% टारगेट वाला स्टॉक है स्वराज इंजन्स। सो दिस इज़ द मंथली टाइम फ्रेम ऑफ द स्टॉक। यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ बीन इन स्पेसिफिक रेंज बाउंड फेज फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। यहाँ से once it was on the initial thrush after this listing, it went up all the way up to a 2400 range. वहाँ से it is shifted its momentum, वो नीचे आना शुरू किया और यहाँ से नीचे आके जब ये ट्रेंड रिवर्सल शुरू हो गया ना, वहाँ से it has been going on inside this channel for quite some time, and अभी it is showing really good volume build up and really positive momentum, a breakout and a retest as well at this level. That was 2429, that is 2429, and यहाँ से it has given a breakout and a retest on a monthly time frame. Now we'll go in details at the shorter time frame than what is the current situation of the stock. We'll go to the weekly time frame next and see what is going on. So यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं ना, this was the major all-time high breakout which happened. I'll mark it down. So this was the first time it attempted an all-time high breakout, which was not sustained. And once it came down, it actually broke the initial trend line support level, and then it came down and it almost reached the support level, but did not sustain the horizontal as well as the trend line support, which was around this level. यहाँ से वो सीधे नीचे आ गया और यहाँ से एक नीचे वाला पैरेलल चैनल बनाया, वहाँ से सपोर्ट बना के इट इज़ बीन कंसोलिडेटिंग, ऐसा कंसोलिडेट करके इधर यहाँ तक आ गया. Okay, now what we are going to do is we're going to see what is the possibility of this stock moving further another 5%, or the possibility is very high that यहाँ से it could move really upwards. इसका P is only somewhere around 29 or something, so it's not that high, and the quarter results were also pretty good. So I am expecting it to move यहाँ से to a really good level, probably 5000 levels in the near future, considering the momentum is building in the entire market. The bulls are kind of looking like they're going to be back, but we have to consider the fact that Nifty is at a downtrend channel, and at the top of the downtrend channel, I mean नीचे एक पैरेलल चैनल के अंदर चल रहा था, द लोअर हाई एंड लोअर लो बना के, और वहाँ से जब ये रिवर्सल हो गया ना, at that point से it has actually hit a top resistance level, and if that level is broken and वहाँ से सीधे another buying zone is created above that channel, right? तभी we can confirm that Nifty is shifting its momentum from a bearish market to at least a consolidation or breakout market. I mean, like ulta market, it's going to go up. But I feel like Nifty has kind of formed a decent base, and once the tax harvesting is done this month, from April onwards, we might see better market positions and overall, kind of in favor of an investment setup. Okay, so यहाँ से if we look into this, we can see that there a breakout and retest was successfully done at this level. This was the breakout level, all-time high पे, and it broke, it went up, it hit the resistance of the channel, parallel channel, वहाँ से नीचे आ गया और रीटेस्ट भी कंप्लीट किया. यहाँ से अच्छा सा मोमेंटम से इट स्टार्टेड गोइंग अप, और आज टुडे इटसेल्फ इट हैज़ मेड समवेयर क्लोज टू 13% का मूवमेंट, 13-14% का मूवमेंट. सो इट माइट शो अ बिट ऑफ रिट्रेसमेंट, बट आई एम लाइक आई विल शो यू, विल गो इनटू द डीपर टाइम फ्रेम्स एंड सी which are the better levels to take an entry. Okay, now this is the state of the stock. This is a 4-hour time frame, and I'll take the arrow here. यहाँ से if we look into this, the channel has already been broken. On a shorter time frame, we might get a resistance at this level, because prior to this a resistance was already there, so it is almost hitting that resistance level. But I am considering the fact that this is a horizontal breakout as well, which we can see over here. Take a horizontal line and mark it over here. We can see this consolidation has been broken. This has been consolidating since almost a year, I would say. From the last high was created somewhere close to June, July, August, probably August August was the previous high, and उसके बाद दो बार resistance hit हो गया. The first one was here, the second one was here, and the third time this was actually given a breakout, and a daily time frame closure above that level has also happened. So considering the fact that this has happened, I am expecting it to move another 5% from here. But I think a better entry point would be somewhere close to this level. That is, I'll mark it. This could be a better entry point if it is going to retrace back to this channel, right? This point would be a better entry point. That is somewhere close to 3000, 3660 or 3650 could be a better entry point. But I would suggest we can have two entry points. The first one could be somewhere close to the current levels, which is, let's see what is the opening position of the stock tomorrow morning. If it is somewhere close to 3700, right? 3700. If we are getting a level of 3700, we can trigger our first entry point. And वहाँ से, I mean, anywhere close to 3700 is our first entry point, and we'll deploy 50% of our capital वहाँ से. Okay, and if it goes above from there right away, it's fine. We'll take the capital, and I mean, we'll book the 5% profit as we do all the time. And suppose if it comes down, first we deploy the 50% capital, and then it comes down to this level. That is, if it is coming to this level, that is 3600 range, or even if it's coming to this level, that is 3450 range. The second entry, the 50% deployment of the second 50% would be happening here at 3450 range, 559, 450 range. Okay, so these are the two sets of entry points that we have planned, and I would be marking the stop loss and entry point on long position from the average of these prices, so we can almost get a clear idea of what could be our potential 5% target be. Okay, so this is the risk to reward chart. Our average would be somewhere close to 3600. Our stop loss would be somewhere around 3300, and our target would be just 5%. 1 2 3 4%, and this is the 5%. 3600 would be, I mean, not 600, 3800 would be our 5% target. Our entry point would be 3600, I mean, average entry point. And if you're getting an entry at somewhere around 3700, our target would be even a bit higher. But this is the average. I hope you understand what it means by taking the average consideration price, because we are deploying our capitals at two levels. So this is just for reference only. Once you're taking the trades, keep this in mind. Okay, that's it. If we are getting an entry at 3700 and it moves another 5% up from those level, use that exact same pattern. I mean, 5% target and 10% stop loss in that trade as well. So you'll have to use your logic while you're deploying a trade. Okay, so this is it for today. And Swaraj Engineers is the stock name. Our last, I think, except Abbott, almost all our entries have gone to hit a target, if I'm not wrong. And the market is also showing really good momentum. So if you're liking my videos, make sure you like, share and subscribe my videos, and share it with your friends and family, and make sure help me grow my channel as well. So that's it. Thank you, and have a nice day.